When someone is seriously injured, people are often stressed and hurting when they call the office. The first thing we try to do is lower their stress level, and we do that by listening to them, listening to their story, what happened, and giving them a rock-solid plan on how we are going to, one, represent them, and two, make sure that they're taken care of. If you're looking for a personal injury attorney, this is what you should be looking for. One, experience, an attorney that has handled cases like this before. Two, success, an attorney that has won cases like this before. And three, you want to make sure that you have a trial lawyer. Why do you want a trial lawyer? Because the insurance companies will always work out a case more favorable for the injured person when they're dealing with somebody who's not afraid to go try a case and who has tried a case. I used to be an insurance defense attorney, and we knew the lawyers that would go try a case and the lawyers that wouldn't try a case. And I can guarantee you we paid less money to lawyers that we knew would not try a case. We know if you're injured that you're going through a tough time right now. Don't make it tougher by making these mistakes. Number one, not following doctor's orders. So right after the accident, make sure you go to the emergency room, seek that medical treatment, and follow that emergency room doctor's advice. If they tell you to follow up with a specialist, go to that specialist. If they tell you to follow up with any other doctor, go see that other doctor. Don't have a gap in your treatment. Number two, not contacting an attorney right after the accident, because sometimes witnesses disappear or are hard to get a hold of, and evidence can disappear. So you need an attorney who can get involved early on to make sure that witnesses are talked to early on and evidence is preserved. Number three, giving a recorded interview to an insurance company without an attorney. Insurance companies are not your friend. Insurance companies are not in the business of paying you money. In fact, they're in the business of paying you as little or none as possible. And number four, picking the wrong attorney. I used to represent insurance companies. I worked at a firm, we represented these big insurance companies, we've all heard the names, and we knew the lawyers that handled these cases regularly and knew how to properly represent their clients, and people that really didn't. Those two lawyers got vastly different amounts of money for the same case paid to their clients. So make sure you hire somebody who actually knows how to handle these cases. We understand that people may be hesitant to contact an attorney because they have all this stuff going on after an accident and they can't stomach the idea of potentially having another bill. The great thing is, on injury cases, you don't pay us anything until the end of the case. You're not going to pay to come meet with us. You're not going to pay to sign an attorney-client agreement with us. Instead, we get paid only if you win. If you have any questions about your personal injury case, please give us a call. We would love to help you. Our calls are answered 24 hours a day, 7 days a week.